Hey there, online entrepreneurs. Welcome back to the channel and thank you for watching this video, Make Money Online, 5 Pitfalls of Affiliate Marketing. I'm James of jamesreeseonline.com. If you decided to watch this video, then chances are you're looking into starting affiliate marketing or are curious about it. And that's great because I believe that there is potential for true financial freedom for those who start down this path. Whatever the case, we're going to shine the light on affiliate marketing today and discuss some potential pitfalls that I have discovered that you should watch out for. Before we begin though, please like this video and subscribe to the channel so that you can get future videos sent to you. Also, I ask that you watch this video all the way to the very end so that you get all of the information that will help you make a good informed decision about your path. And for staying with me to the end, I do have a free gift for you, so make sure you stick around. Now, let's get on with the review. The first pitfall is a very common one that many fall into, and I have to admit, I fell for this too. It's the notorious shiny object syndrome. The online space is teeming with promises of overnight success and quick riches. From drop shipping to blogging to e-commerce, we're inundated with implied promises of sit back and relax, and that money is just going to roll right on in. With so many different programs flashing before your eyes, it's incredibly easy to get caught up in the excitement of the next thing and to try to jump from one program to another. But let me tell you, that kind of hopping around rarely leads to lasting success. Now, it's not a bad thing to have multiple lines of income. I know that most people in affiliate marketing got started while still holding a full-time job. Nothing wrong with it. But that makes it even more important to find that program that you believe in, and you need to pour your focus there. Don't let shiny distractions steer you off course. Pitfall number 2 is like quicksand for your reputation. It will pull you right down, and that is promoting low-quality products just to earn those commissions. Now, I get it. At the end of the day, we are in affiliate marketing for commissions. What we must not do, though, is lose our audience's trust just for a quick buck, because your audience's trust is the real gold. If you find yourself pushing products that don't benefit your audience and don't align with your niche, you will find your audience disappear. Find products and services that you genuinely believe in. If you don't, you risk losing credibility and betraying the trust you've worked so hard to build, because again, your audience's trust is the real gold. And that segues right into pitfall 3. Lack of transparency. Not being transparent in what you are doing can come back to bite you. You see, transparency is the glue that holds the affiliate marketing world together. If you're not upfront about your affiliate relationships, or if you try to hide sneaky affiliate links or game the system in some way, you're treading on thin ice legally and ethically. Always disclose when you're dropping those affiliate links. Honesty builds trust, and trust is golden. Next, we come to the overwhelm trap, and it can drain your motivation. Affiliate marketing offers so many strategies and tactics, things that you do really need to know to be successful. CEO rankings, how to properly engage and leverage social media, email marketing, the list goes on and on. This can feel like it's too much to even get started, but the reality is you can do it. But when you're just getting started, it can feel like that you must know everything and be a master of everything all at once. But that's just not the case. You know, I can't juggle. And if I wanted to learn juggling, I definitely wouldn't start by picking up running chainsaws and trying to juggle them. Of course not. What I would do is I would start small. Take one ball until I'm comfortable and then build up and eventually maybe, doubt it, but maybe live running chainsaws. But what you must do is also start small. Pick one strategy. Learn what it takes to get you off the ground with that strategy and then learn the next thing. Doing this will let you get started and help you manage the overwhelming feeling. Stay dedicated and your experience will lead you higher and higher. Last but definitely not least is unrealistic expectations. I'm sorry to say that I have to debunk a myth, the myth of overnight riches. Listen up because this is important. Affiliate marketing can be lucrative. There are major profits to be made, but it's no magic potion for instant wealth. Building a successful affiliate business takes time, dedication, continuous learning, and a fair bit of patience. Success can come, but like everything else, you have to put in the time and effort. Keep the goal of eventual success firmly in your mind. Don't listen to those charlatans selling their snake oil of guaranteed overnight success. Remember, if it looks too good to be true, it is. So there you have it. 5 pitfalls you should absolutely keep an eye out for when diving into the world of affiliate marketing. Now, I hope you're still interested in affiliate marketing and these don't scare you away, because I believe in the potential of affiliate marketing for me and for you as well. And that's why I started with something called high ticket affiliate marketing. High ticket affiliate marketing is where you promote other people's products for large commissions, some up to $1,000 or even more. Now, there are big names out there that we've all heard: Amazon, Walmart. They have affiliate programs at these giant companies, and you can be very successful doing those. But these big guys pay out just very small percentages to their affiliates. But with companies that are high ticket affiliate marketing companies, they pay out many more times higher than those other companies per sale. And that's what interested me in my research. With high ticket affiliate marketing, there's no product creation, there's no stock to hold, you don't need a staff, and you can do it at home while still maintaining a full-time job. There are also online many free tools to get started, and you can do this from anywhere in the world. Now, I do believe in the potential of high ticket affiliate marketing for you as well as me. And that's why I'm offering you the free gift that I mentioned at the start of the video. I've provided for you a free cheat sheet that lays out 3 proven steps to help you quit your 9-to-5 job with high ticket affiliate marketing. Simply click on the link in the pinned comment below and you'll have access to that free information. I want to thank you again for watching this video. Make money online, 5 pitfalls of affiliate marketing. Well, that's all I have for now. If you did enjoy this video, if it helped you at all, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content that I release. Also, let me know your thoughts or questions that you have in the comments below. And don't forget that free gift by clicking the link in the comment below. Now, let's get out there and let's go do something great.